Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Wednesday. I didn't get a lot done, but Big Ron got something done. So that's a start. It was one of those days where we're just running around doing things at a dentist appointment, a doctor's appointment, yeah, so on. But tomorrow is going to be dedicated on my end to the Volkswagen thing. To figure out where the hell this dead short is and go from there. Let me show you what we got. So if you watch the short on the Thing, the new headlight switch and emergency flasher relay switch, or emergency flasher switch, came in. I installed them. I have the same problem. Okay, so yay. But I have a dead short. But now everything is new. Everything should work. I just got to figure out where that is. So tomorrow I'm going to dig into this and find it one way or another. So that's going to happen tomorrow on the Thing. So lots of Thing content coming tomorrow. Here on the 40 Ford, Big Ron has got the transmission dipstick in. Looks like he also got the exhaust on both sides, which is exciting. And he got the kickdown cable. Looks like it's ran down there and hooked up on one end. Looks like he's just missing the clip to put this on here. So, other than that, this is pretty close. So, really excited about that. We gonna order some parts tomorrow. Definitely for the Thing. I'm gonna order a distributor hold down. Because mine snapped, if you guys remember. And then also, I have somehow lost my fuse box, fuse panel clip, somehow. That holds it in. So I'm going to order one of those. Not big deals, but needs to happen. And I'm going to order some shocks for the rear of this tomorrow as well. And just get all that here. And once I find the wiring issue, you know, we'll work from there. And at least we can get this thing done. And then we'll get it all buffed out and polished out and paint touch up and whatever it needs and get it up for sale. Get the interior back in it. You know, the duck boards and cocoa mats and all the things. And roll down the road. But we are close. This is something stupid. It's probably one wire somewhere right in front of my face. It's just dumb. So I just need to find it and get it done. And once we get all those other things done, and this doesn't rev in the back, and it looks good, and all the things, and everything works on the dash, and you know, lights, and so on, we'll take this to get a alignment, and get it aligned, and go from there. And the front bumper is right there, as you guys saw. We still got to weld that up. I haven't got to it yet. Just too many things going on between the cars and health and doctor's appointments and everything else. It's just been kind of a zoo. So But this is where we're at. You know, you guys know our goal for the for this year was to get this car done, the thing done, painted and sold, and to get the 44 done, painted, and at least done, painted, and interior in it. I don't know if sold yet, but at least in that world. So we're getting close, guys. Honestly, if we started bodywork tomorrow, we would probably be 2 to 3 weeks away from painting this car, from painting the 40. It's really close. Honestly, probably less than that. But there's some housekeeping things that need to be done, like the insulation and so on. So we're going to take care of that and get all that stuff done, get the vintage air in it, get it hooked up, get it all plumbed in while we have, you know, we can actually get to it. Just imagine the big ass fender here, the hood in the way. Just hook it up now while it's here. Just makes more sense. Make sure it's running right, shifting right, doing all the car's things that it needs to be doing, and go on down the road. But mechanically, it should be great. We got the 8-inch Ford with the 350 gear with the Eaton True Track Posi. We got a brand new drive shaft in it. We've got the Turbo 350 that's been rebuilt. We've got the 350 Chevy putting out about 350 horse, 400 torque, something like that. Should run great. So hopefully, as long as we hooked everything up right, we should be good. And this car does run cool, which is great. We're running around, I don't think it's been over 190. So also great. So anyway, guys, that's what I got for you. Just want to give you a brief update. Tomorrow we'll be right back on this thing. I'm going to be out here first thing in the morning on the thing, breaking into the wiring and just going through step by step, and get that squared away. I need to get that just out of my life, and you're probably tired of me talking about it. Big Ron will be finishing up his things over here on the 40, and hopefully get it on the ground and take it for a spin tomorrow. That would be fantastic. I'd at least like to be able to pull it into the driveway if nothing else. Put it in park, neutral, reverse, drive, all the things, and first and second, and actually go into those gears, and that would be very helpful. So that's where we're at, guys. Thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. Please like and subscribe. Thanks again to everybody that helped us get to 1,000 subscribers last night. Really appreciate all of you. Please keep subscribing if you're not subscribed, and watching the videos. We're going to keep going here, and hopefully we'll have this thing painted and the Apache in here soon. So stay tuned, guys. Have a great night.